Okay, we got a 2003 Chrysler Sebring convertible LX 2.7 liter. It's just a base model, and it's got, you can't really hear the knock right now, but I'll give it a little rev here and it does make a racket. Or rev it, just give it a little. That's good. So I'm sure that knock you could hear. These motors are prone to sludge. It's pretty nasty in there. So I got this Tribotex. We're gonna supposed to put it in here, run the engine for 15 minutes, and then drive it for like 500 miles. Takes about 500 miles for it to activate. So there it is. Kind of red in color. Okay. So now that's in there. I'm gonna go drive it around now. So I'll make an update to this as soon as I see the results. All right, have a great day.